us are entrepreneurs in here. We like to come up with ideas for new businesses. And I had a great idea. You know how they do the timeshares for condos and everybody pulls in the money and a bunch of people, so it's cheaper. You can actually have a condo at the beach. You don't have to pay for the whole condo. I thought we all like to eat. We did it with the chef. We had everybody pays in and he goes to your house on Mondays and my house on Tuesdays. Would be a good idea, right? Well, apparently it's already been done. A restaurant. Right?
Right.
But had that been an original idea, then I would have first built a website. And I would have started marketing that website and using that as a tool so that I could send people to that, let it sell for me while I'm asleep if I can fall asleep. So if you guys need a website, come see us at Make It Loud Web Design. My name is Josh Whitlock. That's all I got.